Hello everyone. At our meeting today, I will explain about stage of business valuation. Before starting, let me to introduce myself. My name is David Aprilia with NPM 2341195 from class management 23D. Importance of business valuation. Business valuation is essential as it helps companies understand the true value of their asset, profitability, and growth prospects. This is useful in making strategic decisions such as investment, expansion, merger, or sale of the business. In addition, an accurate valuation also helps in negotiation with investors, ensuring tax compliance and assessing financial risk. By objectively knowing the value of a business, companies can make smarter and more sustainable decisions. Key objective of a business valuation. Business valuation aims to determine a company market value, support investment decision, and attract investor and funding. In addition, the process helps with strategic planning, ensuring tax and regulatory compliance, and assessing the feasibility of restructuring or liquidation. With the right understanding, business can make more strategic decisions for long-term growth. Definition of business valuation. Business valuation is the process of determining the economic value of an enterprise based on financial, operational, and market factors. This valuation is used for various purposes such as investment, mergers, acquisition, tax, or restructuring. By accurately understanding the value of a business, owners and stakeholders can make better strategic decisions. Stage 1. Information gathering. The first step in a business valuation is to gather essential data to understand the condition of the company. This includes financial statement, cash flow, profitability, and market data to assess the position of the business. In addition, it is necessary to analyze tangible assets such as property and equipment, and intangible assets such as brands and patents. Accurate information is the basis for an objective business valuation. Stage 2. Financial statement analysis. The financial statement analysis stage aims to evaluate the financial condition of the company by reviewing the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. This process helps identify growth trends, profitability, cost efficiency, and cash flow. With proper analysis, a company can understand its financial strength and weakness and formulate more effective strategies to improve financial performance. Stage 3. Business Model Evaluation. The business model evaluation stage aims to assess the sustainability and competitiveness of the company. This process includes understanding the revenue and cost structure to ensure optimal profitability. In addition, a competitive advantage analysis is conducted to identify factors that differentiate the business from competitor and determine strategies that can strengthen the position in the market. Stage 4. Market and Industry Analysis. The market and industry analysis stage focuses on understanding industry trends, market dynamics, and the level of competition. This process includes research into industry development as well as external factors that affect the business. In addition, the analysis is conducted to gauge the company position in the market, understand market share, and assess advantage and challenges over competitors. Stage 5. Selection of assessment method. The evaluation method selection stage involves selecting the most appropriate approach to assessing the value of the business. The income approach values a business based on project future profit. The asset approach calculates the value of a company based on its assets, both tangible and intangible. Meanwhile, the market approach compares the business to similar companies to determine the value based on existing market transaction or valuation. Stage C. Business value collection. The business value calculation stage is performed by applying the selected valuation method such as the income, asset, or market approach. This calculation also considers risk factor and business growth potential to obtain a more accurate and realistic value estimate. Step 7. Interpretation and validation of results. At the interpretation and validation of results stage, business need to evaluate the valuation result under various scenarios to ensure their accuracy and relevance. This analysis helps assess whether the value obtained reflects the true condition of the business, considering both external and internal factors that can affect the valuation. Challenging in business valuation. Challenge in business valuation include data limitations that can hinder the accuracy of analysis, market fluctuation that cause business values to fluctuate, and difficulties in valuing intangible assets such as brand and customer loyalty, which are often subjective and difficult to measure quantitatively. Case study. For example, a startup technology company looking for investors need to conduct a business valuation to determine the right valuation. Using the revenue approach, the company estimates value based on project future profit. However, since the business is still in its early stage with volatile revenues, a market approach is also used by comparing the valuation of similar companies in the same industry. The result of this valuation then becomes the basis in negotiation with investors, influencing the amount of investment received as well as the future growth strategy of the business. Conclusion. Business valuation is a crucial step in a company's strategic planning, whether to attract investors, support acquisition decision, or plan for long-term growth by choosing the appropriate method, whether based on revenue, asset, or market. A company can obtain a more accurate picture of value and objectively reflect the condition of the business. This process helps stakeholders make more informed and sustainability-oriented decisions. Business valuation is a crucial step in a company's strategic planning, whether to attract investors, support acquisition, decision, or plan for long-term growth by choosing the appropriate method whether based on revenue, asset, or market. A company can obtain a more accurate picture of value and objectively reflect the condition of the business. The process helps stakeholders make more informed and sustainability-oriented decisions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.